I really love that one. Basically, something always makes you happy when you try to open up a box. Okay, so inside, yeah, so this is just the Amazon box. We have here the box for our new keyboard. So again, this is Royal Kludge RK S98. So let's open this keyboard up and see what's inside. Oh, just delete it. And see what we have here. So again, this is a 98. Not really a full-size keyboard. It doesn't have the delete keys, or like, yeah, the one in the middle, just like the previous one. Okay, so here we have. So here it is, guys. This is the keyboard itself, and yeah. Basically, this is just the one that has been added. Just that one. The rest is just exactly the same. So aside from the keyboard itself, we have other stuff here. So we have extra switches as well. So what I've chosen is actually the green switch, which is the mechanical switch option that they have. So I think that's all. Oh yeah, we also have of course the USB-C cable, and also the keycaps and the switch puller as well. So, yep, that's all this. The color that I got is the lavender one, because just to make it a little bit unique. The one that I bought is just gray and white, so it makes it pretty bland, which is perfect for my setup, by the way. But this time I want it to have a little more characteristic by itself. So yeah, I bought the lavender one, and here it is. Oh yeah, great. It does look like exactly like the last one. So aside from that, we have here the manual. So I think it's most likely the same from the last one as well. So we will see the keyboard itself. What I think about it. The base and the material itself is plastic. The body of the keyboard is plastic, but it has a little thin metal layer on the top as well, which makes it a bit more premium. Then in the sides, we have here our USB dongle, which is magnetic, by the way, so makes it easier to store, and you won't lose it if you want to use it outside. Then I like the switch position actually. So here in the side we have I believe this one is to switch your from Bluetooth or from wired mode, so I will try to verify it later. Then we have here the on and off as well, which is a good position. Then we have the nice. So here at the back we also have, this is the of course our wired connection, USB-C. And finally we have a bypass USB, which is a pretty good thing to have. The iRocks one doesn't have this one, so it is a plus for this keyboard. Then from the back side, let's see, and the back side is just most likely very basic. So we have the stand as well, which you can switch between different modes. So we have 3 mode stand, so this is the highest one. Then of course we have a little small, and we have the flat configuration. We have here one of the thing that really attracts me to these keyboards is the LCD screen, which we can customize later. So let's gonna peel this one up. Nice. All right, so yeah, a very nice LCD screen, and of course the multimedia knob as well. Okay, so connecting the keyboard. Right, so that looks quite okay. And let's see, so yeah, this is fully RGB. I think this is south facing, so quite different from the other one as well. And let's see, download the software in order to change the LCD screen. But before that, let's check first what are the things that we have in the LCD screen itself. So here, so we have the knob that we can use to adjust the volume as usual. But aside from that, we can also change other stuff in our keyboard. So for example, if I click that one, then we can change between Bluetooth. So we have device 1 in Bluetooth, device 2, device 3, and of course we can change to the wireless dongle, USB mode, and home. So let's see what is home. Oh yeah, so you can check the time or the GIF if we want to. Okay guys, so let's have a quick check on the specs of this keyboard. So this is of course a 96% layout, which includes the numpad, which is quite good, and it is actually one of the requirements that I have personally when buying a keyboard, because I'm very used to have a numpad. So for this particular keyboard, the RK S98, it has two different switches, which includes the linear Viridian switch, which is this one. I should have bought, I was planning to buy the pale green tactile switch, but yeah, I clicked the wrong thing in Amazon. Then there are four different colors, so what I got is the lavender purple, but there's also the sky blue or the clay green and the turquoise green, which has most of the keys green and the accent to be white. Then it has fully hot swappable, so which is one good thing as well. Then it has a triple mode of connectivity that includes the wireless, Bluetooth, and the dongle. Then we have south-facing LEDs and a 3750 milliamp hour battery capacity. Then finally, as what I have shown just a while ago, it has a USB pass-through, which is a great thing to have for anything, for any keyboard, because our USB in our PC is quite limited now with so many accessories. So having an extra port, even though it's just one, is always a great thing to have. Okay guys, so we are now on the Royal Kludge keyboard software, and to be honest, this is a pretty simple software. We have some profiles here so we can save the presets that we wanted. Then over here we have the macro if we wanted to add the macros, and of course the light effect modes. So we have different stuff here. It's not so many to be honest, but yeah, usually I'll just have it in fixed mode either way, so it doesn't really matter for me that much. Then over here we have a different kind of custom lightings that you wanted to make. So we have here, for example, you can adjust the animation speed and the color, and if you want it a single color, or you can mix the color as well. So again, for now I will have it at fix temporarily, since that is what I usually go to. Pretty simple and just not disturbing to the eyes when you are actually using the keyboard. Then finally, we have here where you can upload the GIF to change the screen or to change the LCD GIF that is displayed in your keyboard. So over here we can just load the GIF that you wanted. For now I have this ASUS logo because it's not really, the screen is not that good, or the FPS is not that good. So this one is pretty simple, it's just changing color, so that's why I'm just using this one temporarily for now. Then after loading, so we can add some layers as well if we wanted. We can have some additional stuff here, but for now I don't want to have just a simple one for now. Then of course we can press apply, then it will upload your GIF to the keyboard itself. So this is how it looks like after uploading the GIF and the lighting as well. So regarding the keycaps, it is double shot PBT. So you can see also in the spacebar. So this is actually feels good, a bit rough, but at the same time the usual PBT keycaps, which is quite nice, you know what I mean. Then we have here the stabilizers, which is a pretty common one. And yeah, sadly this is actually Yeah, very sure this is linear switch. I really got the wrong switch. uh, I really wanted a tactile switch this time, but anyway, I'll just buy another switch later so that I can customize this keyboard, or the two keyboards that I have. But yeah, this is how it looks like, and let's now try to go with our sound test finally.